Tammy Slaton has once again ignited a social media firestorm, this time by fueling rampant speculation that TLC's hit show 1000 LB Sisters may be coming to an end. For years, fans have followed the gripping, emotional, and often dramatic weight loss journeys of the Slaton sisters, Tammy and Amy, STH. Ian navigated personal hardships, family struggles, and major health milestones. But now, whispers of cancellation have grown louder, especially after Tammy posted a cryptic message that fans are interpreting as a farewell. Without any official word from the network, the uncertainty is pushing the show's devoted audience into a frenzy, demanding answers and fearing the worst. Tammy's silence, and her timing, has only made matters worse. The spark that set off the rumors started with a simple post. Tammy shared a photo of herself with a vague caption reading, "End of an era, but beginning of a new me." While seemingly innocent, the context was everything. There was no mention of the show, no tags for TLC, and no indication that filming was ongoing. Followers immediately started flooding the comments, asking if the series was cancelled, if she was quitting, or if something serious had happened behind the scenes. Tammy, characteristically, didn't respond to most inquiries, letting the speculation grow unchecked. The post came just days after fans noticed a prolonged absence of any filming-related content from the Slaton family, which is unusual given their typically open approach to sharing their lives during production seasons. Adding fuel to the fire was the lack of any promotional material or teaser trailers from TLC for a new season. The network, which usually drops hints or announces upcoming season premieres months in advance, has remained eerily quiet. This has not gone unnoticed by fans, many of whom track the sisters' online activity and piece together clues from Instagram stories, TikToks, and leaked photos from locals in Kentucky where the show is filmed. Amy Slaton, usually more vocal and active with fans online, has also been relatively silent, posting only generic family updates and making no mention of ongoing filming. All of this silence has been interpreted as a coordinated blackout, possibly hinting at trouble between the family and the network. Insiders close to the Slaton sisters have reportedly told tabloid sources that there has been tension between the cast and production over creative control, filming schedules, and even pay disputes. One source claimed that Tammy especially feels that the show has painted her in a negative light, using too heavily on her breakdowns, hospitalizations, and moments of weakness rather than showing her progress and strength. These feelings may have led her to step away from filming voluntarily, or at least demand a more balanced portrayal. If the rumors are true, TLC may have decided it was too difficult to continue under those strained circumstances. Some fans suspect Tammy's recent glow-up, showcasing healthier habits, improved speech, and increased mobility, was not being given enough screen time, leading her to voice dissatisfaction. Fans of the show are now combing through past episodes and interviews, looking for hints that might suggest a quiet cancellation was always in the cards. Some point to the emotional tone of the last season finale, which ended not on a high note but with serious unresolved issues, Tammy's engagement, Amy's custody concerns, and a noticeable drop in screen time for their siblings Chris and Amanda. One Reddit thread exploded with theories, some speculating that TLC might try to spin off the sisters into solo series or rebrand the show entirely. Others believe that the medical drama and family dysfunction that originally drew viewers has simply run its course, leaving little left to document that's fresh or compelling for a TV audience. Either way, the question remains, is this really the end? There's also speculation that Tammy herself might be moving on to other ventures. In recent months, she's appeared more confident on TikTok, has hinted at brand partnerships, and even teased a potential member in an Instagram Live. For someone who was once housebound and dependent on a wheelchair, her transformation has been incredible. Fans say it's not just physical. Tammy is speaking more clearly, dressing with confidence, and carrying herself with renewed strength. This has led many to believe that Tammy may be preparing to take control of her story by stepping away from reality television entirely and launching her own narrative, possibly on YouTube, in a podcast, or through sponsored content. If true, that decision might be one reason TLC has gone dark. There are also other moving parts that could explain why the show hasn't returned. Amy Slaton, who has been through a rollercoaster of personal events, including a divorce, a new relationship, and raising two young boys, may no longer be interested in living under the spotlight. After years of exposing the most intimate aspects of her life, she may be craving privacy and emotional peace. Friends close to her say that Brian, her new partner, has been supportive of her stepping away from the camera, focusing on mental health and family art. At her than ratings and viral moments. Amy herself has made posts that suggest she is trying to live a more low-key life, away from the drama that comes with public attention. Her shift away from being constantly camera-ready could be another reason the show is on indefinite hold. What's particularly concerning to fans is how sudden the silence has been. Just a few months ago, Tammy was doing press, collaborating with TLC on social media, and appearing at fan meet and greets. Now, there's no word from her, no communication from production, and no comment from the network. Even major entertainment outlets that typically cover the Slayton sisters regularly have been quiet, perhaps respecting a gag order or NDA. The conspiracy theories are spiraling out of control, ranging from wild ideas about lawsuits to accusations of behind-the-scenes scandal. The truth might be much simpler, but without any official statement, the mystery remains unsolved. Adding to the speculation is the fact that Tammy recently unfollowed several TLC-affiliated accounts on Instagram, including the network's official page and some producers. Fans interpreted this as a clear sign of conflict or a falling out. While social media actions don't always tell the full story, in a world where stars use platforms to send subtle messages, such a move is rarely seen as meaningless. Some speculate it's a quiet protest from Tammy, a way to say she's done with the network. Others think it's a strategic way to build anticipation for a surprise spin-off or rebranding of the franchise. FC has not responded to any of the recent rumors, nor has it updated the show's page with any new content. Typically, networks will issue a statement if a popular show is ending, if production is paused, or if there's a change in schedule. The lack of any formal announcement is both confusing and alarming for fans. Viewership for 1000 LB Sisters has remained relatively strong, and the series has been one of TLC's most talked about franchises on social media, which makes the silence even more perplexing. Are negotiations ongoing? Is the network waiting for the perfect moment to drop a trailer or announcement? Or is the lack of content a quiet way of letting the show fade out without the drama of a formal cancellation? Meanwhile, fans have taken to Twitter, Reddit, and Facebook fan pages to rally for the show's return. Hashtags like #SaveOne1000L Sisters and #WeWantTammyandAmi have been trending in niche communities, showing just how invested the audience still is. Petitions have even been started online, demanding TLC bring back the show or at least offer a proper send-off season. For many viewers, watching the Slayton sisters has been more than just entertainment. It's been a journey of inspiration, healing, and connection. Seeing the sisters overcome incredible odds, from life-threatening obesity to toxic relationships, has helped many people face their own struggles with weight, GHT, trauma, and self-acceptance. Another angle to consider is whether the show was always meant to have a limited run. Many reality series burn brightly and then disappear when the core story arc, usually a transformation journey, reaches a natural conclusion. In this case, both Tammy and Amy have reached major goals. Tammy had her weight loss surgery and is maintaining better health, while Amy has become a mother and is managing her independence. Perhaps the story has been told, and rather than drag things out with manufactured drama, the producers decided to let it end on a high note. If so, fans may one day look back and appreciate the dignity of that decision, even if it feels frustrating now. It's also worth noting the broader reality TV landscape is changing. Viewers are increasingly looking for fresh content, authentic stories, and less sensationalism. If TLC executives felt that 1000 LB Sisters no longer aligned with the network's direction or viewer expectations, they may be quietly pivoting to new formats. However, doing so without transparency risks alienating the loyal fanbase they've built over several years. Communication is key in such moments, and TLC's radio silence may come back to haunt them, especially if fans feel blindsided or betrayed by a sudden disappearance of their favorite show for all eyes remain on Tammy Slayton. Whether intentionally or not, she's become the face of this mystery. Her next post, her next video, or even a simple reply to a fan comment could either calm the rumors or blow them wide open. Until then, the speculation continues. Is 1000 LB Sisters truly cancelled? Or is this just the quiet before the next storm of drama, transformation, and Slayton family chaos? Only time will tell, but fans are watching, waiting, and hoping for a miracle update. As the story continues to develop, it serves as a reminder of how deeply audiences can connect with reality stars, especially those like Tammy and Amy who have shared their journeys so openly. Their triumphs and failures, vulnerabilities and strengths, have been more than just television, they've been a lifeline to many viewers struggling with their own battles. Whether or not the show continues, the legacy of the Slayton sisters is already firmly embedded in the fabric of modern pop culture. And for fans holding on to hope, one message rings louder than all the rumors: they're not ready to say goodbye just yet. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.